Welcome to Boundless Expeditions, where we explore the world without breaking the bank. Today, we're diving into the enchanting realm of the Greek islands. Picture this: crystal clear waters, whitewashed buildings, and unforgettable sunsets. The Greek islands are every traveler's dream, but there's a common misconception. Many believe that a trip to the Greek islands requires deep pockets, but we're here to challenge that notion. Join me as we uncover the secrets to experiencing the magic of the Greek islands on a budget of just $3,000. First things first, let's talk about budgeting. By making smart choices and planning ahead, you can stretch your dollars further than you ever imagined. From indulging in delicious street food to shopping at local markets, there are plenty of ways to savor the flavors of Greece without breaking the bank. And when it comes to accommodations, you'll be pleasantly surprised by the variety of budget-friendly options available. Whether you prefer a cozy guest house or a lively hostel, there's something for every budget and taste. But perhaps the best part of budget travel is the opportunity to connect with locals and immerse yourself in the culture. From learning traditional dances to participating in local festivals, the Greek islands offer a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences that won't cost you a fortune. So if you've ever dreamed of exploring the Greek islands but thought it was out of reach, think again. With a budget of just $3,000, you can turn that dream into reality. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any exciting adventures. Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to plan a dream trip to the Greek islands without breaking the bank. Get ready to immerse yourself in the magic of this enchanting destination while staying within a $3,000 budget. Let's start with accommodation. Stay in charming hostels or cozy guest houses nestled amidst the whitewashed buildings of islands like Mykonos and Santorini. These budget-friendly options not only offer comfortable stays but also provide opportunities to connect with fellow travelers from around the world. When it comes to dining, indulge in mouthwatering Greek cuisine without breaking the bank. From savory souvlaki to creamy tzatziki, the flavors of Greece will tantalize your taste buds. Don't forget to explore local markets for fresh produce and ingredients to create your own Greek-inspired meals. As for activities, the Greek islands offer a wealth of adventures for every budget. Hike along rugged coastlines, snorkel in crystal clear waters, or simply soak up the sun on pristine beaches. And let's not forget about the rich history and culture of the Greek islands. Explore ancient ruins, visit traditional villages, and immerse yourself in the timeless beauty of this captivating destination. Throughout your journey, embrace the warmth and hospitality of the Greek people. Join in on local festivals, learn traditional dances, and create memories that will last a lifetime. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and embark on the adventure of a lifetime in the Greek islands. With a $3,000 budget and endless possibilities, your dream vacation awaits. Subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration, and start planning your Greek islands getaway today. Until next time, happy travels!